So let's start the clock and dive into stocks and bonds and why this knowledge is so critical to you becoming the best investor possible. Here is the secret in 6 words, and with these 6 words, you'll instantly understand the foundation of all investing. Here it comes. Stocks you own, bonds you loan. Stocks you own, bonds you loan. Just remember this rhyme and you're already 90% towards understanding your investment decisions. Own. Think of being a business owner with partners. When you have stock, you have equity in the business. Now bonds, you loan that business money so they can operate and grow. That's it. Stocks and bonds explained in 20 seconds.